Welcome back, guys. I'm here with Luvme here once again. This is the packaging for today's wig. So as I open the box, I see this little booklet. Alright, and this just basically have information about cashback and your whole shopping experience, social media, all of that is listed here. I have the wig, which I'm gonna get into. I also have this drawstring bag branded Luvme. I have a Luvme headscarf, some stickers. I also have a bonnet, a pair of HD wig caps, an edge brush and comb, another booklet, and this is one for hair care, how you care for your wig, and that's everything in today's package. So now let's get into the wig. So this right here is a bouncy blonde lightweight left C-part loose wave glueless 5x5 lace closure wig. It is 12 inches long, and this one that I have today, look at those curls, it has a breathable cap. Love that. So even though you have this cap on your head, this wig, your scalp still feels like airy beneath it. It doesn't feel too confined and like, oh my gosh, I want to take this wig off. It feels comfortable. So that's the construction of the wig cap. It has adjustable straps in the back, a total of 4 combs inside the cap, and this customized lace closure. It's already bleached and stuff. It's also pre-plucked. Always love the vibe that Luvme strive to give you a very well customized wig, so you don't have to do much to it once you receive it. It's very much beginner friendly, little to no experience, to go ahead and install these wigs on your own. So this is the color as well. It's perfect for the winter time, I feel like. And you see the pre-styled vibe. These curls are really nicely done. I love that. And as I said, it's a 12 inches bob, so that is really nice, very convenient, very easy and to the point. So I'm just gonna go ahead and slip this on because it is glueless. You do not need any adhesive for this. So let's go. So this is how it looks right off the bat once I slip it on my head. And yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead, cut away the excess lace. Okay, so and be sure when you're doing this to pay close attention so that you do not cut the hair. Very easy. And did I mention this is a HD lace? It's always better to have a really nice realistic HD lace. It makes everything look way better. Yeah, that's how it looks in the hairline. There's just a tad bit of cast, so I'm gonna take my brush with some powder and I'm gonna tap that up. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. That looks so good. That looks so good. So what I'm gonna do, and the wig is very snugged on my head. Let's go ahead and give it a shake, just so that you see that you don't need anything else. Like, the cap is good enough, and all the adjustable straps and everything that they added is just good enough to go ahead and give you that good security. So let me give it a shake. So I'm just gonna use my fingers to kind of just finger comb this, give it that volume. These curls are so pretty. So this is how it looks once I finger comb it, and it did say that it's a C part 5x5. It is a 5x5, so you have space within the lace to part it if you wish. Let me show you. So you could go ahead and part it other places if you wish. You don't have to feel confined to that one parting that came with it, okay? But yeah, they just did a pre-styling vibe with it, and you know, they gave it like a nice little C side part. So that's really cute. This is how it looks. It looks very realistic. Like, I feel like if you're a corporate babe and you want to go ahead and spruce things up with a little bit of color, you're new to colors and stuff, I feel like this is a more toned down colored vibe that you could try, see how you like it. But I feel like it's an easier way to tap into, you know, just trying out a colored look. Yeah, so you could go ahead, give it a try. But this is it. You see how easy it is? Fully beginner friendly, like 100%. Highly recommend. Even if you're not a beginner, like, this is still a very cute look, very nice. I feel like it still keeps things very professional. The curls are definitely adding something to it. Like, if you have a special occasion, I feel like this curly vibe definitely adds to that. And it's very voluminous. Like, the body in this is beautiful. So there you have that. I am going to be sure to put the direct link to this wig in my description box, as well as all the specification, you know. So if you're interested in getting this wig for yourself, go ahead, check out Luvme Hair. Shout out to them for another bomb convenient wig, like they did it again. But yeah, that's it for today. I hope you guys found this informative. If you did, go ahead and give this video a thumb up, and I'll see you in my next video. So until then, just go and make up for yourself. Bye.